Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to start our new chapter named New York. You all have heard about the city New York because it's a very famous city located in the eastern side of United States of America. Here in this slide, I have given a picture of the skyscraper located in New York. New York City comprises 5 boroughs sitting where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean. At its core is Manhattan, a densely populated borough that's among the world's major commercial and financial and also cultural center. There are so many important landmarks in New York. A landmark is a recognizable, natural or artificial feature used for navigation, a feature that stands out from its near environment and is often visible from long distances. Suppose you can see a picture of Taj Mahal in a map or in any other documents, you will automatically recognize that place as the city of Agra. The picture of Eiffel Tower made us understand that this place is Paris. Same like that, the Empire State Building, the United Nations Building, the World Trade Center, the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, and Coney Island. These are the important landmarks of New York. Manhattan is the largest among all in New York. You can see from the map that New York City is divided among some islands: Manhattan Island, Jersey City, Staten Island, Long Island. Manhattan Island faces Long Island across the East River. Both Manhattan and Long Island are part of New York. Their neighbor across the Hudson River is a separate city named Jersey City. All are linked to Manhattan by bridges and tunnels. Every day, over 1 million people travel in and out of the island. These people are called commuters. From the map, you can see Manhattan is linked with Jersey City through Lincoln Tunnel. It's an underwater tunnel located in Hudson River. And Manhattan is connected with Long Island across East River with a bridge. The motorways in USA are called freeways. In summer, Manhattan's workers relax in Central Park. It is a huge park located in the middle of the Manhattan Island. People can have lunch or evening snacks from many food stands there. Some hire boats on the lake. They may buy beverages to quench their thirst, as New York's weather is very hot and sticky in summer. I have also given a picture of Central Park and the the people are enjoying in the lake of Central Park in your note. Now I would like to say something about Broadway. Broadway theatre is also known as Broadway, refers to the theatrical performance presented in the 41 professional theatres, each with 500 or more seats, located in the theatre district and Lincoln Center along Broadway in middle of Manhattan, New York City. Now I would like to say something about the skyscraper located in Manhattan. The Empire State Building rises from 102 floors above the street. When lifts are not working, it takes half an hour to walk down the stairs from the top. The neighbor of Empire State Building is the World Trade Center, which is 541 meters high. Skyscrapers are giant office blocks, and one building can hold many people who live in a town. For example, 25,000 people work in the Pan Am building. So, thank you all for today. That will be our the end of our discussion. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.